Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. This video is basically about Google Veo 2 model. So in this video I will teach you all about Google Veo 2 model. Let's begin. Google's Veo 2 is an advanced AI video generation model developed by Google DeepMind. Veo 2 can generate videos up to 4K resolution and several minutes in length, offering enhanced realism, advanced motion capacity and great camera control options. All these videos are created by Google Veo 2 with just simple prompt. Here you can see all these videos and you can see how smooth and perfect these videos are. So I will teach you how you can create these videos. Here you have to research for Google Veo 2. Then you have to open their website. Here you can see their website. Here you can have two options. You can try on Vertex AI. Here you can see how their Vertex AI work. Here you can also create an account with this Vertex AI, and also we have the option called VideoFX here. Here you can see the VideoFX lab where you can sign in with Google. So simply click on sign in with Google. Now after signing in, you can accept any of these two terms if you want to, and after accepting, you can simply click on the next option next here. Here you can see that next option is not available, so you have to click on the previous option. Then again the same interference, so here you have to sign out. When you will sign out, then you can see the option here, join the waitlist. Here you can join the waitlist by clicking on join the waitlist. Here you can see how you can join the waitlist. Here you have to provide all the information, your name, your last name, your email and the country you are located in, and here you have to choose your country. So here I'm choosing United Kingdom. Then you have to choose your age, whether you are 18 plus or not. Then you have to tell them where you hear about them, and then you can also select more options here. Here you can see, would you like to receive occasional updates? You can choose here yes or no, and after that you can simply click on the submit option if you want to. VideoFX is available only those countries those have the access of music effects and image effects. Here you can see all about their video and their music effects here. After joining the waitlist, they will inform you when they will have space, because till now due to its high demand it's not available to everyone. For now it is available to some of the people in the United States and those who are over 18. Here you can see these videos created by this Google Veo 2, and you can create these videos by joining the waitlist. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.